So if you can tell by the title of this video, we're gonna do a Kendama unboxing. It's been a while since I did a Kendama unboxing. Last one I did was the Weens mod of like late last year. So I thought I might as well do one today since I just recently got a Kendama from Analog. It came in yesterday, but I wanted to save the unboxing for a video. So I thought I might as well do one right now. So I got the bamboo Squab 2020 shape, and they sold out pretty quickly in like under 30 minutes, I think. So let's get to opening it. Comes in this nice little bag. Before that, let's see. Just comes with one sticker. That's it. Set that aside. I've got the Kendama in this bag. It says Los Angeles, California, and 2020 Squab. And here's the Kendama itself. Ooh, this looks nice. Let me smell it. Smells like bamboo. Comes in the nice silk or satin paint, I mean. Nice and smooth. Wow, this looks nice. Let's see how long the string is. This looks really long. Wow. It's like a 10-finger string. That's crazy. I can always cut that down to my length. Bamboo can. Has the portal hole in the bottom to help with lunars. And then the tama with the dual burn lines in the middle. It's a pretty big bevel. Let's see how good it is for lunars though. Wow. Seems like it's gonna be pretty good. Stalls, birds. Alright. Seems like a pretty good Dama. Excited to test this out. Yeah, so I guess that'll do for the unboxing. Thanks for watching as always. Let me know any video ideas that you want in the future. If you want unboxings like these, if you want the trick variations that I've been doing, leave it down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.